Hey, so I know it's the beginning of August, but Christmas came early this year.
I'm your very, very, very handsome gift.
Handsome Santa Claus.
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Good, good, bro. So what you got for me, bro?
I have
A ver. Dun, dun, dun.
fucked up windshield wiper.
That's cute. A ver, espérate, güey. Espérate. Let me add some suspense music. A ver, go for it. Woo! Hell yeah.
Here's your puros yonques.
Puros pinches yonques, compa. Alright, so this is my 350Z kit.
Yes,
Oh, no, this is my 370. I'm not gonna show you guys that one.
Oh.
Yeah, no, don't show them that
Hide
one.
the 370.
Yeah, hide the 370 stuff. But yeah, I got my 370Z kit and my 350Z kit. Just gonna place it right here. Chingon, wait, special delivery. Hey, wait, am I the first customer you deliver parts to?
Yes.
So.
Wait, I think I delivered one. No.
But did you deliver to it?
No.
Ooh, I feel special, bro.
You're special, bro.
I'm gonna give you a kiss off camera. Right?
Okay.
Hey, bro, are you gonna help me put it on or what?
Fuck no.
Aww.
I love you, but not that much.
Oh, like that way. Hey, wait.
Do shit.
You know you love me, way.
I do, and that's why I'm only gonna charge you $1,200 for these.
Fucking shit. You wanna take them back?
I might have to charge you a restocking
fee. Wait, I haven't even paid them, way.
I'm gonna have to report you to PayPal.
Shit. Hey, wait. I'm gone, bro. But yeah, check it out, guys. This is my 350Z kit. It's the CCC V2 version 2. Can you explain, way, what we got here?
Yeah. Version 2 means version 2. Two virgins.
Two virgins. Way.
Now what this is basically a 50 mil kit all around squared for the 350Z.
Sick, bro. Can't wait to slap it on. And then what's the version 1?
One virgin.
One virgin. That's you, way.
Yeah, I'm the virgin.
Oh, and this is me and you, way.
Yeah, this is both of us.
Okay.
Version 1 is basically just a rear overlay. It's a 15 millimeter wider. It's basically just if you have like quarter panel damage and shit like that. Easy cover up.
I know those you offer them in fiberglass and carbon fiber.
Yeah,
I seen.
We actually make these in carbon as well.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we can make these in carbon.
Oh shit, there you go. I'm not that baller though, way.
Yeah, those are pretty.
Esos apenas pa'l Chris.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pa'l
way.
Cayu?
Pa'l pinche Cayu. Hey, wait, what do you think of Cayu, way? He's been missing for a while.
I know.
I message for him. You want to send him a message, way? Hopefully he sees this shit.
Cayu. Can we put sad music while I say it? Yeah, like maybe the Titanic song in the background.
All right.
Cayu, wherever you may be, just want you to know we miss you, bro.
We miss you, bro.
And we love you. And we need you to report back to me. Or back here at least, because the LS ain't gonna build itself, bitch.
Alright, we're gonna mock it up real quick, see how it looks. Oh, wait, no mames, I'm excited, bro. I don't think I know what I'm doing with.
I think your tape kind of sucks, bro.
I think it does work. I need a tape sponsor.
That's good enough. Let's go to the back.
This is what I've been waiting for, this whole time, way. This way.
Just this one here?
Just this one, way. I mean, I'd be happy with just this one, way. Look at this shit, way. Look at all this shit.
See?
Ready?
Damn.
You ready, bro?
All right, so you're gonna show us how to turn shit
Into fucking...
into shinola.
Into shinola, way. Hey, wait. So this is the reason why I left it like this? Because of this. Yeah? Know what I'm saying? So, no real reason to fix it right, you know? Because, fucking, you know, white body, bro. White body.
Yeah.
White body, everything, bro.
Because CCC's got your back or what?
CC, way. Hey, wait. I knew, way. Fucking in the back of my head, way. CC, way. Once I saw the car, way, del putazo, way, from the quarter panel, I'm like, CC, bro. CC all the way. CC dice que sí, güey. Check it out, bro. What's up? See? Oh no.
I think so.
I think so. And I got the side skirt just somewhere in the back.
Damn, bro.
You want to give them some rear shots, way, real quick?
Let me see some booty shots.
Some booty shots, way. Check it out. See or no, way? See or no?
Damn.
Just real quick, you know? Easy fix, bros. If you guys fucking hit your quarter panels, way, you guys already know. Link's gonna be in the description. Is that, Harvey?
That's right.
That's right, my boys. Chingon, way. That's just...
So how much you gonna sell this 350 for?
How much am I gonna sell this 10K 350? I don't know, way, maybe like 12.
This 22nd 350Z?
I don't know. I gotta check my my expenses, way, and all that shit.
Yeah.
But we'll do the math, way. I'm gonna let it go cheap. As long as I make like 500 bucks, way, fuck it, I'm good, way.
All right. You heard the man.
Oh shit! What happened? Hey, yeah, bro. I like it. Hey, by the way, this is my first kit, huh?
Yeah.
This is my first.
Is it?
Yeah, way.
Yeah. The other one didn't have it, huh?
No, I didn't even put one.
Oh.
Well, the other ones, I never got one because I never had a fucked up 350. I mean, why fuck it up, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, bro. Fucking love it, bro. Thanks for the kit, bro.
Gotcha, bro.
All right, let's take a picture for the thumbnail, way.
All right.
All right, in all seriousness, fucking thanks a lot, bro. I fucking love my kit, way.
No problem, brother. I got you. Anytime.
Way. I mean, I'd fucking kiss you, way, but the fucking,
long as you
the camera's looking at us, way.
As long as you keep the vessels coming off camera, we're good.
No homo, bro. No homo. Yeah, let me take this off, and then wait for the next video. I'm gonna do a full install. That way, in case you guys want to cop one of these kits, you guys already know how to do this shit. But I've done plenty of installs before on other people's cars. It's just this time is gonna be my first time on my car, so pretty excited about that.
Tuned for that 370.
Stay tuned for that 370Z kit. It's right there. I'm not gonna show it to you guys because it's not ready to be slapped on. Still gotta put some work on it. But once I finish the 350, watch, just wait and see. You guys are gonna love that shit. It's gonna look like his car. I don't know if you guys seen it.
Oh, you can put a picture right here.
Yeah. Check out.
Pow! Wait, like this. Pow!
Pow.
Put it right here in my hand, alright?
Alright, I'll put it right. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna put Crown Carbon Crafting's link in the description. So go ahead and check it out. Go spam his shit. And I hope you guys cop one. Peace out.